Hi friends, I'm back with my another video. Here it's one Bluetooth speaker called Logitech x50. Yeah, I'm using it for past 4 months, and I like this speaker a lot. But it has some amazing clarity and all. You can see. Like I'll play one audio. You can only see from it.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking it was mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
As you heard the song, right? It has an amazing clarity at a full volume. It does not distort at all. It's come at a price of around 1700 for a 3-watt speaker. It's a best clarity, I think. Yeah. Here we have audio jack and a charging port and a branding of Logitech. And this is a nice handle for a carabiner holder. It has a 3-watt speaker. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Subscribe for my channel.